The Clarke CRT130 40-piece rotary toolkit is ideal for DIY and hobby use. It is perfect for model enthusiasts. Drawing only 130 watts at 230 volts, this multi-purpose rotary toolkit will shape, engrave, grind, clean, sand, polish, sharpen and cut, all at a maximum operating speed of 31,600 RPM. The speed can be controlled right down to 13,000 RPM using the control on the handle to suit different materials. The softer the material, the slower the speed you will require. Whatever projects you undertake, you will find yourself continually discovering new uses for your Clarke CRT130. This tool allows you to work with an excellent level of accuracy, care and attention to detail. It is especially good for intricate and small-scale work that larger rotary tools might struggle with. It comes with its own molded carry case with compartments for not only the tool but also the wide range of accessories included with it. Also included is a 1 meter long flexible drive, height adjustable stand with clamp, and a large selection of extras, including 40 assorted accessories and consumables suitable for a wide range of applications. This 100-piece accessory kit, available from your local Clarke stockist, contains a wide selection of cutting wheels, sanding discs, drums and bands, polishing wheels and compound, wire and bristle brushes, plus dressing and grinding stones, making it an ideal accessory for the rotary tool. The Clarke CRT130 rotary tool with 40-piece accessory kit will give you many years of productive use.